Hello everyone. I hope you like the first part of a memorable trip to Gangtok. So I am going to put the part 2. And if you have watched the part 1 and enjoyed that blog, then you will definitely love this blog. So if you have not checked it out, so I'll put something here or here, the I button. You can click and watch that blog. After watching that blog, come to this blog so you'll enjoy more. So let's get started with our blog and let's start our journey. After completing paragliding, we wanted to go for a helicopter ride. As I was booking the ticket and my friends were finding a place to park the car, so we decided that we will directly meet at helipad. So I left the booking office and booked a cab towards it. In the cab, I met a really awesome lady who was driving it and we started talking.
तो हम मैडम जी के साथ जा रहे हैं अभी गुर्तुक हेलीपैड। ठीक है मैडम जी मतलब मेरे लाइफ में सेकंड लेडी है जिनके गाड़ी में मैं बैठा हूँ। और यहाँ पे सर और मैडम मिल गए हैं मुझे दिल्ली से मेरा दोस्त का मम्मी पापा भी दिल्ली से बहुत कनेक्ट कर रहा हूँ आजकल मैं। हेलीकॉप्टर के पास जा रहे हैं, हेलीकॉप्टर से चलेगा ब्लॉग। मतलब गैंगटॉक में दूसरा दिन है, मतलब लग रहा है कि यहीं पे आके आना तो चाहिए, साल में तो 1-2 बार आना ही चाहिए यहाँ पे।
When we were waiting for our ride, Delhi वाले अंकल ने gave us some snacks to have. सच में Delhi है दिल वालों का। And then the helicopter arrived and we got excited to have our first helicopter ride.
When love comes in, ooh la la la. Love comes in, ooh la la la.
So the very next day, in the morning, we started our journey towards Nathula Pass. We already had booked the cab and pass as it is required in order to visit Nathula. As the road was jammed due to traffic, we started to take some photos, which will be with us forever in our mind and heart. The cave wala bhaiya was playing a really awesome song and it was adding a beautiful vibe to the journey. When the cab was taking the hairpin turn, I just remembered one funny line. Girls, don't be proud of your cars. I have seen better. So we reached Nathula and gave a grand salute to all the Jawan who were guarding us at those heights where we were even unable to breathe. We did not take videos as it was border. We then started to move towards Baba Harbhajan Singh temple and we took a lot of beautiful photos with the mesmerizing nature. Then we got chance to visit the zoo of Gangtok and we really saw some of the rare species.
और यहाँ सामने एक बड़ा सा जानवर चल चल के जा रहा है। इसमें बहुत सारा गोश्त है। इसको मारेंगे तो बहुत दिन तक प्रोटीन हम पा सकते हैं और बहुत सारा फ्लूइड भी हमें मिलेगा। तो देखते हैं, इस जानवर को मार के खाते हैं।
আচ্ছা আচ্ছা আচ্ছা
ଆଉ ଶକ୍ତିପତି ଅମର ପାଇଁ କୁହ ତୁମର କେମିତି କ'ଣ ଲାଗୁଛି ଅନୁଭୂତି ସ୍ୱାନୁଭୂତି ପେଳୁଭୂତି
ବଢିଆ ଲାଗିଲା ଅଲଗା ଅଜମ ଟ୍ରିପ ଅଜମ
It's an awesome trip. It could be better. It would be better. Okay. Might आओ
बहुत जगह हमको गैंगस्टर्स वालों ने लूट लिए
दिल भी लूटा पैसा भी लूटा और कुछ लूट लेते तो मजा आ जाता इज्जत लूट लेते तो मजा आ जाता हाँ
So our journey ended here and we were traveling back to our daily life with eye full of tears, mind full of memories, heart a bond which will last forever. At the end, Gangtok gave us a lifetime experience and thank you Sakti and Amar to be such awesome friends and cheers to our friends.